If your Samsung TV won't turn on and the red standby light is blinking 4 times, it's usually the TV's way of signaling an internal problem. In this video, you'll learn what 4-light blinking means and how you can fix it. What 4 blinks mean? A Samsung TV blinking red light 4 times most commonly indicates a mainboard or power-related issue. In many cases, the TV's internal components, particularly the mainboard, power supply board, or capacitors, are not delivering stable voltage during startup. When the TV detects unstable power or a failed component, it interrupts the startup process and signals the issue through the blinking pattern. Step 1. Try a power reset. Before assuming the worst, perform a full power reset. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 20 to 30 seconds. This helps discharge residual power stored in internal capacitors and can clear minor electrical glitches. After waiting, plug the TV directly into a wall outlet and try turning it on again. Many startup issues are resolved with this simple reset. Step 2. Check the power source. An unstable power supply can also trigger blinking errors. Make sure the TV is plugged directly into a wall outlet instead of a surge protector, extension cord, or power strip. Faulty surge protectors can restrict proper voltage flow, which may cause the TV to fail during startup. If possible, try a different wall outlet in another room to rule out wiring or voltage issues. Also, inspect the power cable for visible damage or looseness. Step 3. Disconnect external devices. Sometimes connected devices interfere with the startup process. Disconnect all HDMI cables, USB devices, gaming consoles, streaming sticks, and antenna connections. After removing everything, try powering the TV on by itself. If it turns on normally, one of the external devices may have been causing a communication or short circuit issue during startup. Step 4. Possible internal issues. If the problem persists after basic troubleshooting, the issue is likely internal. The most common causes include a failing mainboard, damaged power supply board, or faulty capacitors. Capacitors that are swollen, leaking, or burned can prevent proper voltage regulation. In some cases, the backlight system or T-con board may also contribute to startup failures.